In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Panera gift card. Whether you're using the Panera app or visiting PaneraBread.com, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. First, let's start with opening the Panera app on your mobile device or head over to PaneraBread.com using your preferred web browser. This is your first step into the world of delicious possibilities. Once you have the app or website open, it's time to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. However, if you're new or just want a quick purchase, you can also continue as a guest. Signing in isn't just about accessing your account. It saves your order history and preferences, making future orders a breeze. With that ready, it's time to explore the menu. Add items to your cart by browsing through the delicious options Panera has to offer. From mouth-watering soups to freshly baked bread, you can select your favorites. Once you've made your selections, head over to the checkout. This ensures that everything you crave is ready for your meal. Now, at the checkout page, you'll see several payment options. Select gift card as your payment method. This is crucial because it informs the system that you intend to use your Panera gift card for this transactions. Next, you'll need to enter your gift card number along with the PIN. These details are usually found on the back of your physical card or in the email if it's a digital card. Entering this information correctly is important as it ensures your gift card balance is applied to your order. After entering your gift card details, click on the Apply button. This step is vital because it deducts the cost of your order from your gift card balance. You should see a confirmation that the gift card has been applied. If there's any remaining balance, it will be displayed here. This little step saves you from any surprises at the end. Once that is done, it's time to confirm your payment and place your order. Double-check that all your order details are correct, from the items in your cart to the total payment amount. When everything looks good, proceed to place the order. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your order is on its way. At this point, you've successfully used your Panera gift card to pay for your order. It's a simple process that enhances your convenience and makes use of your gift card balance efficiently. Remember, practicing these steps ensures a smoother experience every time you order. Thank you for joining me today. With these steps, you can enjoy a seamless, hassle-free experience while paying with your Panera gift card. Stay tuned for more helpful guides in the future. Enjoy your meal and have a wonderful day.